wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
Somebody a place and them take it to them. So no, them never remember them days.
Because the people come and look like dumb as a woman, so I remember that with you.
Why man blow? Why man be so disgusting? Yeah, me see it. Them just put up a bag of thing. Me see it. Brother, stop hitch up on the car, so brother. Don't do it. I'm not in a story in the FSI area.
This is the last time I said come and join the shadows by our room.
Oh, there's something like this.
No.
Yeah. See, this is why I'm not telling them about them little foolishness. I can't listen to them. Like, you see me? So you see them in there like the girl that pressure my mom for buy pineapple juice with the Dole pineapple juice. For buy to chase it with whatever. Yeah, and that sort of thing.
No, what Ben said?
Eh?
With the rum, with the coconut rum?
Yeah.
It tastes nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's the way she had tell me.
Actually, as what I said,
Oh.
actually it tastes nice.
So
Because even like, in a lounge and so, and then when this is like just, and whatever them do, I use that, and most of that they use.
Pineapple and the coconut.
Yeah.
So yeah, so she had tell me, so I say, one time she say, oh, so I say with the sample they want to have. No, sample, that don't come to So she say, but I buy it out of my pocket.
But you never get it.
No, I never say. Just I say, no man, it's alright man. Me stick to the ego, you know. I say thing I'm naturally a chaser and some shit. So when I did them, me try it. And she said, no, alright. Girl, the eyelash them man. The eyelash them. Enough.
You can't get no one so unless we judge again.
No. Yeah, 3. And you see all this up? Them have big because my cousin buy it out. They buy either 3 or 4 pound of fish by minute. A 3 fish the man get. 3 big parrot, like you must have a fry them. 3 big parrot.
Yeah, the priest maybe I might go back out there and eat it.
Yeah, because them have big fish them if you want them. You see me?
Yeah, the price is the
No,
price,
man.
yeah, price.
No, I've $1,400, $1,500 pound for the parrot. And $1,400 for the snapper. Remember me I buy me a... Eh? I don't remember how much BSL is for, but the thing is that the fish you really want still, you see me? And then the fish them have look fresh. That's all. You see me? And why the money I make so much noise?
That's the person behind it?
Yeah, from down there so. And I mean my blow still, I should be have an indicator. The turn, so you must say I say you're right. Oh, but probably go blow with him come down here so now to the picture. Oh, my turn. Jam mad man, yeah. Mad bombard man, we see that man. Mad in a man, mad man. And I ever them with them old car. Always with them old car. Why you would make a drive like that? But they don't stay over there and wait till the road clear you drive out. You never say man is suicidal and Fred. The man them just drive out. Just drive. No sir. Afraid of them man here. Man is suicidal. I never know you see car come. Alright bike man. Alright brother. You see
Video.
eh?
I see video.
You see Kiara come and you just drive out. I don't know. Like them man are just different. But yeah, the fact say you can get the big fish them down there. More time I usually gonna be here, and every time you can get the big fish them. You see me? I don't like that. If I want little fish, I get little fish. If I want big fish, I get big fish. You see me? Some big size part the man getting up. You remember last time when we go yeah, we want something there, go eat the fish and something. Remember them big fish there?
Yeah.
Not even the last time, the time before the last time. Remember that time you have big fish there? Yeah, at this size parrot there, the man buy 3 of them. He buy. May I say, you kind of like that. And when you come down there, did I buy and like the man say, yo, like the man did want fish can be like, give the man, give me. And like the man say, oh, you see me? Man, like he must say no one that him want and see him go for a big one. Bigger than the one very rare. That fish look like it weigh probably about. Eh? No, over 3 pounds. The one fish over 3 pounds, you know it's a big fish. Yeah, big snapper him go for him. And look at my boy take it to me and say, yeah. Like I would buy a big fish like that, I would. You see me? And then like you don't know, put it probably in the oven or steam it down or whatever and then like cut it after that or cut it before that, whatever the case may be and do it. Like would I eat even one of them big parrot day on Friday, you see me? I eat even one of them big parrot. But you don't really like fried fish. Like that, I don't really like fried fish, rather steam or brown stew. And brown stew the real way. I'm not talking about fry and then throw gravy pan. I'm talking about really brown stew it down. But even up on the highway, I look like me see the visor, you know. And then yesterday, no, last night, when we go down, we look at my seat, I remember which part they use one sign and mark it. So I reach at the sign and I see the whole place clean and everything. So I say, just a clean, so like them sweep the road and one bag of something. So I just stop look. I say, just stop look. Only for reach down further now, I see at the real sign, and that sign there, I should have look. And something I say, right, but I did pass again. And you know who now, you see me? Yeah, breathe that time when the road empty. Yeah, bring the road. Go that way, then we can check it out that way. Because the day when we sing, we did see me, then I for reverse. I mean, I say, yo, trouble and sit like rain here, man. Nah, you see me? So, today I see a video pop up, you know. Sunrise in the left the place too, man. But I don't know where I'm gone. Yeah, this video only title say him leave Jamaica for the first time, so I don't know if a Caribbean island or big foreign, you know. Yeah. But that's good. I say I go watch it. And it get a whole heap of views there on it too. This me I say, yeah, this look like back the sunrise, so I know. You see me? Because normally I tell the sunrise that them view them usually click, tear down. I said, this look like the sunrise, so I know with them views, yeah. Space really not that care for that baby mother there, because some of them taxi man are insensitive, you know. Because I want to tell her to come squeeze up with the baby, you know. them for the brake on the back. Actually, alright. So the light on the dashboard is a warning light, you know, just to say it's basically again low. So or something on the side or whatever. So yeah. But to say I'll put the time in it. One them on the front super high, they thick. So then they not no change for right now. I decide say 2024 I'm do it. So we getting the food now? Yeah man, no say no. Night I go come catch the food. Me know. Because I know you want the food long time, plus you want me cook fish for you. You want me cook for you from long time, plus you wait years of fish, your skin get on fire. So I know. But I'll cook for you tomorrow. I'll make you something nice. Talk to them about something. I said to her, so where coming from? America! I come from America. So you look for grandma and grandpa. Yeah! It's nice when them so young and can have them experiences, isn't it? Yeah man, it's nice man. When we look a bit like that, you know, we just have to just listen to people when them come back to school, come say them they are foreign, you know. I say foreign, I wonder what them do when them go there. You see me? I wonder how that stay.
Yeah, they do Spanish class. Spanish trip, Spanish club, Spanish class trip.
Oh. Yeah, man. I say, oh, you see me?
I remember how much money was I did out.
Back in them time, if you go.
And then, after I never have my passport because you know, and when we get, I mean, look for my passport. So I have a passport. But I give me a loan. You know, fair work. Never really pay much. And then my mother said, you know, me little.
Now, so now
I don't have a did it, so.
Yeah, so now picnic. So it wasn't even a matter of, even if she find the money for sending that biggest factor, to send her picnic or this and under no much adult supervision, so she agreed that. So yeah, it's a way. Kind of overs. Sometimes them trip they are going and the parents them go with them picnic.
I think them could have come.
Yeah, sometimes you go with them. And then we used to have the Arnold and the trip, the Disney trip, and them something.
Maybe at the school where they are Walton did have Disney trip.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm telling you, lady in the school at one school.
Okay.
So, if I'm not that school there, I must high school. My parents go. Because I'm a careful if I keep the shoes there. And so, close. They call it.
The ball gears.
Ball gears there.
Yeah.
And I don't even remember, I think we end up, I don't remember right now, but I think we pay money for them there, and then sit them off for left them, you know.
Until I reach England until tomorrow. Well, what time now? It's
Well, when
already-
we did call in, she did tell me when we out of match. But we called her a good while, she did tell me, you know, and she tell me when the woman that clean out, she may write in the woman. Oh, right here.
Oh, yeah. Office.
Yeah. When I write one time, but we know why we write the time. When we go out, we can write it to you. And I just like when she left the office, we never write that time then. We write time when she come out of the office. It's like the most important time still. And when we go in, we took up a book to write the time, and come knock me up. All the
Yeah.
that. People them come back in a man. When we fire brigade have to come, all 30 fire, them all have drill because they use one them burn one something, one plastic job. You know that well melt out in the road and then clean to them with that and then fix it man. So that the man have to use the drill something for dig up it little bit and use something for scrape it off of the road.
Oh.
Eh?
No, man, so wrong. Really go hard.
No, but we don't have people.
Oh, you know.
They have the mobiles.
Oh. I said that closest place that was the car look from the direction there. Well, Mineral Heights, as we learned.
Well, I knew it was Mineral Heights.
Oh. But me
But
that's
Mineral Heights supposed to.
they're close to me up and same way.
Whenever I just got to Clarendon.
Yeah.
Like, me a pay because.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mineral Heights are the same.
Who wants a Dre drive Mr. Gray?
Yeah.
Let you know we're getting today now.
Oh. The first. The holiday meeting. Yeah.
But we couldn't see Richie's after she had work.
Mm-hmm.
Which is a customer thing. We can like, she like, here are one shift and she not work. And all for them shifts, they are 1 month, them work one shift final.
Oh.
12 to 9. So she not work, so she cannot work that. So she not work.
No, this KFC has stay now, cause you know.
Yeah, no bad.
You see the line? It's not here now. The line depth up the road line there. Yeah. Up the road line there.
I think this is the last big
Vehicle? No. So you line there?
I thought that was the last one.
Look on this. Watch
No,
out.
let me see. No.
How wickedness this? On the line here. You know what to tell her. 'Cause I think you could have go in there and see him thing. Or worse, as in you have to wait.
As I said, the only thing with the drive to them just have to sit there when they have to give it to
When
them.
you reach, you get through.
And at this way, you have to go cash. I don't know. I got something there.
Which one?
Yeah.
I'm going.
They
Oh, okay, so. Oh.
let me say, what I say. Everybody again, everybody wants to keep on buy this and buy this.
Yeah, you know what I'm going to go on already?
You see, I see them in here.
Serious.
I wonder about my son.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna wanna see the sun. Dive into the deep ocean. Dance with you all night long. Move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm. Singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music. Singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want.